In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out Webull. If you've ever felt cramped looking at just a small slice of price action and wanted a broader view of the market, this is the quickest way to pull back and see more of the chart without changing timeframes or digging through menus. Start by moving your mouse over the chart itself. Aim for the main price area where the candles are drawn, not the watch list, not the indicators panel, and not the settings icons around the edges. You'll know you're in the right spot when your cursor is hovering over the candles or the grid behind them, and you can see the crosshair or tooltip following along. If your mouse is off the chart, the platform won't know you're trying to interact with the price view, and scrolling won't affect the zoom level there. With your mouse squarely over the chart, scroll the mouse wheel down. Think of down as pulling the camera back. A small downward tick will zoom out a little, and a longer, smoother roll will zoom out more quickly. If you're using a responsive wheel, light, gradual movement gives you precise control, while a faster spin will jump out farther. If it feels like the view is moving the wrong way, try a tiny roll in the opposite direction to confirm which way zooms out on your setup. Once you find the right direction, keep that motion consistent. As soon as you scroll down, the chart will zoom out and display more candles. You'll see additional historical price bars appear to the left. The time scale along the bottom will expand to cover a longer period. And individual candles will look a bit narrower because more of them are fitting on the screen at once. The price axis on the right may compress slightly to accommodate the wider view, and that's normal. This wider perspective helps you spot bigger trends, key support and resistance levels, and context for recent moves that might be hidden when you're zoomed in too closely. If you overshoot and pull back too far, just use a gentle upward roll on the wheel to nudge back in for a tighter look. The idea is to make small, deliberate adjustments until the amount of history on screen matches what you need to analyze. That's all there is to it. Hover your mouse over the chart, scroll the wheel down, and watch as more candles come into view. Try it on different symbols and timeframes to get a feel for the pace that works best for you. With a bit of practice, you'll move confidently between detailed and big-picture views in seconds.